Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that what to do with this God Chalice on the Blox Fruits, then this video is for you. So first, let me show you. Here you can find that here the God Chalice is an item. So what you can do, what is the uses and how you can obtain that. So the God Chalice can be only obtained in 3rd sea through one of the following ways. Chance of obtaining after defeating an elite pirate, the Diablo or Diantre and Arban. Then chance of obtaining after praying at gravestone, then obtaining it from a random chest every 4 hours. The God's Chalice, the Chalice spawns every 4 hours since the player's server was created, or every 4 hours since the last God Chalice was obtained from a chest. Now here is the uses that you can find here. The God's Chalice has 2 uses: that summon RIP in the tree form using the God's Chalice if the 3 legendary or a colors buttons have been activated at castle on the sea. Obtain the Sweet Chalice with the God's Chalice and the 10x Concert Cocoa to summon the Dodge King. So that's the pretty much 2 use of this God Chalice in this Blox Fruit game on Roblox. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Till next time.